This Wednesday State Executive Council meeting chaired by Governor Gordon Obaseki received 5 executive bills presented by the Edo State Commissioner for Justice.
5 executive bills were presented by the Honorable Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice. Of course, these bills include the Electricity Commission and Agency Bill, the EDPA Bill, the Criminal Law Bill of Edo State, the Justice Reform Team Bill, and also the Disabilities Rights Bill was presented by the Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice. And of course, these bills were discussed extensively, certain adjustments and corrections were made. And the Chairman of Council now then directed the Honorable Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice to send clean copies of this bill to the Edo State House of Assembly for legislative action.
Justice Commissioner and Attorney General of Edo State shares more light on the executive bills, including the Electricity Bill, targeting increased access to electricity now built for transmission to the Edo State House of Assembly.
The purpose of this electricity bill is to modernize access to power in Edo State and to take advantage of the constitutional provisions which makes the provision of electricity a concurrent matter as between federal and state governments, to take advantage of these provisions in order to provide a vibrant electricity market, provision market in Edo State, and avoid the bottlenecks that are created by the regular service provider, in this case the BEDC, and try to replicate the model of the Osiomo Power Project, which has alleviated very substantially a lot of our power needs. We also looked at the physically challenged, the people with disabilities law, and with certain amendments, that law is also to proceed on its journey to the House of Assembly.
The State ESCO is also concerned about the heightening effect of examination malpractice orchestrated by some schools now termed as miracle centers.
ESCO mandated the Ministry of Education through me to put out a public service announcement informing everybody in Edo State, parents, students, proprietors of private schools, as well as public school principals, that effective immediately, no external candidates will be allowed to write any exams in Edo State. And so these